Sanction him. Opposition pressures government to punish Robert Montague, saying he lied to the nation. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, missing or dead, authorities probe cops' role in the disappearance of Portland taxi driver.
Watch out. Commerce Minister warns microlenders not to do business with lottery scammers.
More delays. NWA tells motorists to avoid sections of Hagley Park Road in St Andrew or face more restrictions.
Discharged. Health Ministry outlines plan to send home over 450 mentally ill patients from Bellevue Hospital.
And in business news, Agriculture Minister changes tune on sugarcane industry, telling farmers to look elsewhere for survival.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking what should happen to former Security Minister Robert Montague for his role in granting a gun license to a person of a questionable character, even though he acted within the law.
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.